हेलो फ्रेंड, आपका स्वागत है हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल एमबीबीएस क्लब ऑफिशियल में। और आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे एमबीबीएस का एक न्यू सब्जेक्ट, दैट इज़ रेडियोलॉजी। ओके, दिस इज़ द इंट्रोडक्टरी क्लास ऑफ रेडियोलॉजी इन विच वी विल नो अबाउट द बेसिक्स ऑफ द रेडियोलॉजी। ओके, सो नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट द रेडियोलॉजी. What is the definition of the radiology? Radiology is a branch of medicine that uses imaging technology to diagnose and treat the disease. In this two keyword, one diagnose and second one treat. So radiology help in the diagnosis of the disease and as well as treat the disease. Okay, and it involves the use of electromagnetic radiation or sound waves to create the diagnostic images of anatomic structure. So in radiology we use electromagnetic radiation or sound wave to create image, and it helps in the diagnosis. Okay, and it also involves the use of radioactive compound to treat the disease. So radiology helps in the diagnosis as well as treatment. Okay, so how we will approach the radiology? So first we will discuss about the general radiology, and then we will discuss about the systemic radiology. Okay, in general radiology we will cover radiograph, ultrasonography, computed tomography, that is CT scan, and magnetic resonance imaging, that is MRI, role of contrast agent in radiology, and radiotherapy, positron emission tomography, that is PET scan, and nuclear scan. Okay, and then we will discuss about the systemic radiology, in which we will cover the head and neck radiology, cardiovascular and thoracic radiology, abdominal and gastrointestinal radiology, and then musculoskeletal radiology, and then antenatal and pediatric radiology, and then genitourinary and breast radiology. So this is the definition of radiology and how we will approach further in the radiology. So before starting the radiograph, we will know something, the basics of the radiology, which will help in the further upcoming lectures or the concept. Okay, so now we will discuss about the some basics, that is about the radiation. What is radiation? It is energy that comes from a source and travels through the same material and through space. And radiation can be ionizing and non-ionizing. You all know very well. Okay, so what is ionizing radiation and what is non-ionizing radiation? Ionizing radiation, any radiation which can ionize the matter. Simple. What is ionizing radiation? Ionizing radiation is a radiation which आयनाइज द मटेरियल, मतलब जो मटेरियल को आयनाइज कर देगा उसको हम कहेंगे आयनाइजिंग रेडिएशन, और विच कांट आयनाइज द मैटर, that is non-ionizing radiation. Sometimes in the exam directly comes there will be a 4 option and simple question, which of the following is non-ionizing radiation or which of the following is ionizing radiation. Okay, so ionizing radiation is X-ray, gamma ray, alpha ray and beta ray. And non-ionizing radiation, UV ray, visual light, infrared rays, microwaves and radio waves. So learn which one is the ionizing radiation and which one is the non-ionizing radiation. Sometimes directly comes question, which of the following is ionizing or non-ionizing. Okay, now we will look over the electromagnetic waves. Okay, so you all know, you have studied in the 12th class about the electromagnetic wave. Okay, so this is the some example of the electromagnetic wave: radio wave, microwave, infrared, visual, UV, X-ray, gamma, cosmic. Okay, so this is the energy spectrum. So this one is the ionizing radiation and this one is the non-ionizing. Okay, as move from right to left, frequency increases. Okay, so frequency increases, then energy increases and wavelength decreases. So you all know this formula E is equal to h mu. Okay, energy directly proportional to mu. So in this electromagnetic radiation, what is the differences between different electromagnetic radiation? So these are the different electromagnetic radiation. So what is the differences? That is the energy, frequency, wavelength. As we move from right to left, energy increases, frequency increases, but wavelength decreases. And what is the common features among these different electromagnetic radiation? So common feature between different electromagnetic radiation is same velocity, that is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and there is no mass. Okay, and no charge. And as this comes in your mind, no mass and no charge, so this is a packet of energy and it is known as photon. Okay, so this is a electromagnetic radiation. And now question comes as which of the following is the photon based radiotherapy? So photon is a electromagnetic radiation. So in this ionizing and non-ionizing, so mainly as a radiotherapy we use ionizing because it ionizes the matter. So this is used in the radiotherapy. Okay, so X-ray, gamma ray, these two are the electromagnetic radiation, and alpha and beta, these are the particles. These are the particles, and particles have finite mass. Okay, so the question comes that if photon based radiotherapy, if question comes photon based radiotherapy, so in your mind which of the following is the ionizing radiation? You have to look first ionizing radiation. So ionizing radiation is X ray, gamma ray, alpha and beta, but here photon. So photon means electromagnetic radiation. So electromagnetic is the X-ray or gamma ray. Okay, but alpha and beta ray are, these are the particles, and particles have finite mass. Okay, and now we will discuss about the electromagnetic and particulate. Okay, electromagnetic, you all know, X-ray, gamma ray. X-ray and gamma ray do not differ. These do not differ except in the source. The source of X-ray is the extranuclearly and source of gamma ray is intranuclearly. These two, X-ray and gamma ray electromagnetic wave, these are very similar except differ in the source. Source of gamma ray is the intranuclearly and X-ray is extranuclearly, that is mechanical. Okay, now comes the particulate. These are the particulate matter: electron, proton, neutron and alpha particle. These, among these, variable masses and charge. Okay, so what is beta ray? Beam of electron is known as beta ray. Proton, you all know, H plus. Proton exhibit a Bragg peak. We will discuss in later. Just learn here. Okay. A neutron cannot be accelerated by electrical field. You know that it has no charge, so it cannot accelerated by electrical field. Okay. Alpha particle, it is nothing but it is a helium nucleus. Okay, now we will discuss about the investigation. Okay, so investigation, there are two types, mainly ionizing type of investigation and non-ionizing. Okay, अब as ionizing comes, we will use x-ray or gamma rays. Okay, if we use x-ray, it is known as radiological scan, and if we use gamma rays as investigation, it is known as nuclear scan. So remember, in radiological scan we use x-ray, and in nuclear scan we use gamma ray. Okay, and radiological scan gives anatomical information. Radiological scan means use x-ray gives anatomical information, and if we use gamma rays, that is the nuclear scan, it gives physiological or functional information. And let's learn the example. In radiological scan, radiography, nothing but x-ray, CT scan, angiography, mammography, HSG, that is hystero self angiography, RGU retrograde urethrogram, or IBP intravenous pyelogram. Okay, in nuclear scan, that is the PET scan, bone scan, thallium scan, or DTPA scan. Okay, and now this is the non-ionizing type of investigation, MRI or USG. Sometimes a question comes, MRCP. Means in question given, which of the following is non-ionizing type of investigation, and here not written MRI, MRCP, magnetic resonance cholangiopancreatography. So this is nothing but it is a type of MRI. Okay, and instead of USG are written a Doppler. Okay, so Doppler, it is a nothing but a type of ultrasonography. Okay, so don't confuse. Directly question comes, which of the following is ionizing or non-ionizing type of investigation, or which of the following is ionizing radiation or non-ionizing radiation.